Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create isochrones or calculate areas that can be reached within a specified amount of time on a map in the simplest way using MAPOG. First, navigate to story.mapog.com. At the top left, click on Create New to start your project. Give your map a title and a short, meaningful description. Want to personalize it? You can also add your logo if you plan to embed or share the map later. On the left panel, click Process Data and select Isochrone tool. Here, you'll see two options. Create point data manually. Use an existing layer from the dropdown. If you're not sure how to add layers, check out our tutorial on that. First, let's create point data manually. Search for a location. Pin the point where you want on the map. Hit Confirm to finalize it. Name your isochrone layer for easy reference. Select your preferred mode of travel. Set the time duration, like 30 minutes and 20 minutes. Click Submit. You'll see 3 layers appear. 1 point layer, 2 isochrone layers of 20 minutes and 30-minute zones. Rename the layers under the Action button for better clarity. Now let's change the color of isochrone to make a difference between 2 time zones coverage. Under Action button, you'll find option to Style layer. Set the color and border width according to you and save style. And boom, see the output on screen. You can even hide and unhide the layer using the I button. Now, let's learn how to create isochrones using an existing layer. Here, I've added a point layer of ATMs in the UK as a sample dataset. From the drop-down menu, select the existing layer labeled ATMs and repeat the same process. Name the isochrone layer for easy identification. Select the travel mode, example driving. Set the isochrone duration as needed. Click Submit. Check the map, and you'll see that isochrones for 10 minutes, or the duration you specified, have been created for every point in the data layer. You can also view the corresponding data in a table format. Go to the Action button and select Show Data Table. And there you have it. That's how you create isochrones using MAPOG. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for analyzing travel time and distance. If you have any questions or need personalized support, email us at support@mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for joining. Happy mapping!